I always get asked how I take care of my hair, and honestly, it's all about using the right products. Lately, I've been loving the Monday hair care. I only wash my hair every 3 to 4 days, so I need a shampoo that really cleans without drying my hair out. Then I go in with the conditioner, and it makes my hair so soft and so smooth. Plus, it helps with frizz.
So this UGC ad you have just watched was all generated with the AI. And in this video, I'm gonna share how you guys can generate 30 to even 60 seconds long UGC ads of your AI influencer while keeping your character consistent. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. And for that, I'll be using ArcAds. By the way, the link will be in the description below. And if I just click on the see more section, you can see this is the complete tool list where we have the Clean 2.6, Sora 2 Actors, Nano Banana Pro that we need later in the video. Now, many of you guys might be thinking that you can do this thing with the Sora 2. So for example, if I give it a prompt, obviously the results sound really good, but the problem is that this is only 12 seconds long video and this is the AI generated character. We cannot input our own character. This is the limitation with the Sora. Now, here is a better option, that is the ArcAds talking actors. And if I click on the add actor, you can see this is a complete library of actors that looks so realistic. And if I just play one of them.
Hey you, welcome to ArcAds. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ads. Create a script you think will work well, choose some actors, and let the magic happen. Together, let's skyrocket your ads performance.
This is so realistic, man. That's crazy. Now, you can even classify all of these actors based on their gender, like female. You can classify them based on their age, for example, young adults. Then you can also select the situation, like cooking, drinking, family, screen time, kitchen, whatever you want to select, you have the option. But if you want to train your own character, you also have that option. So if you just click on the add actor, you can see we have the option to create our own character. So simply upload the image of your character and just write the prompt what your actor is doing and your actor will be ready. Now let's create an ad from scratch using our own character. So I have these two characters over here. I'm going to select this one and here comes the magic. You can see if I click on the settings option, we have multiple different voices. We can classify them based on their age, gender, language, and even the accents. So I'm using Ines. So once it's done, we need a reference ad. And for that, you can just go ahead to the Pinterest. You can search for multiple ads over here. And you can also pick the winning ads from the TikTok, Instagram. That's up to you. And here I have this ad. So we're gonna recreate this ad. So you can also get the inspiration from the original video for the script, or you can use the ChatGPT. So here's our script. And to make it sound natural, we're gonna play around with these parameters. So the best settings that I prefer is just to keep the speed on the default and just lower the stability a little bit and increase the exaggeration just few points. Well, you can also adjust this according to your preferences, but I like this one. And to add emotions, just click on the add emotions and this will automatically analyze the script and will add some emotions in it. And now if I play this,
I always get asked how I take care of my hair, and honestly, it's all about using the right products.
And now it sounds very realistic. Now for the next part, we will head over to the Nano Banana and we'll give it the base image of our influencer. And then we'll paste this prompt. Give me 3x3 grid of images for UGC ad where she's showing her hairs and sharing her Monday routine featuring these products. And here we'll also upload the images of our product. And additionally, you can add this line. Here is the script and you can paste the complete script of your ad so the AI now have the better understanding. And now if I just click on generate, here are the results. And now our influencer is holding exact same product. We have multiple different shots and multiple different angles, and the shots are according to our script. And this will make your work 10 times faster. And if you're thinking that's it, this is the exact same trick, but wait, there's more. Obviously all of these images are really good, but these are some random results. If you want the exact same results as your input video, you can just go ahead to your video and take multiple different screenshots from different frames, and then you can combine all of them together and then upload to the Nano Banana and also give your input image of a character. Simply type this prompt, give me 3x2 grid of this white shirt woman, and then simply explain what she is doing. She's grabbing the towel, she's wrapping it on the head, her hairs are slightly wet. Hit generate. Now you can see these are the exact same frames as our input video. She's grabbing the towel, she's drying her hair, she's wrapping the towel on the head, and all of them are super consistent, right? Well, you can also go frame by frame if you want to, like here's the back view, and I'm gonna upload the reference image and image of our character and simply give it a prompt, give me the back view, and here we have it. So in that way, you can recreate the exact same frames from the original video. Now, what about the B-rolls of the product, where she's putting the bottles on the shelf, where she's extracting the shampoo, conditioner, all of these things? For that, we're gonna use Sora 2 because this will save us a lot of time. Just simply upload the images of your product and type this prompt: B-roll of these products, UGC ad, woman hand POV, putting on the bathroom shelf, etc. Well, you can also add additional things according to your preferences, and let's hit generate. And there we go. Now we have all of the B-rolls that we needed, where she's putting the bottles on a shelf, where she's putting the product on her hand. And Sora 2 does a really good job with these kind of B-rolls. And obviously our influencer isn't visible in the video, so nobody's gonna know how her hands looks like. So this trick will speed up your process 10 times. So in the same way, once you have generated all of your images from the reference video, simply take the screenshot of the image that you like, head back to the Nano Banana and ask it to upscale. Now the next part is the video and for creation. That, again, go to the tools section. And from here, you can select C-Dance, Kling 2.6. You can use the VO 3.1. Obviously, we cannot use the Sora 2 because it doesn't support the human images. So I'm gonna go with the C-Dance 1.5. Then select the preferred aspect ratio and the maximum length is 12 seconds. Then select the maximum available quality and start animating your images one by one. So this process may take some time because we have multiple different images, multiple different angles, but in that way you will have the control over every single generation. And the main thing is that your character will remain consistent throughout all of these videos. So as you can see, I have generated multiple different videos over here. You can also switch between the models if something is not working for you. And once you are done with generating all of different clips, then open any of the video editor. I'm using the CapCut over here, and import your voiceover and all of the video clips. And now you can tweak them, adjust them according to your voiceover reference video. You can also look at the reference video and adjust them according to your preferences. So let me just do all of these things real quick. And after all of this effort, here is the final output.
I always get asked how I take care of my hair, and honestly, it's all about using the right products. Lately, I've been loving the Monday hair care. I only wash my hair every 3 to 4 days, so I need a shampoo that really cleans without drying my hair out. Then I go in with the conditioner, and it makes my hair so soft and so smooth. Plus, it helps with frizz. And I always use a microfiber towel to dry my hair because regular towels just make it frizzy. And that's it, my go-to Monday hair care routine that keeps my hair fresh and healthy between washes. And look at my hair, it's so smooth and so healthy. Only clean ingredients will do this to you, and you can go get yours. Bye!